Human nature is better than nature. Um, Continue to grow, continue to help each other in life, help a friend, help a family member, help somebody you don't even know. Because in the end, that's all we have is helping one another. You know, you're not perfect, and life goes on with so many different things, so many different circumstances in your life. But I believe helping each other or helping someone um, can get you to that point of gratitude, and you can sustain so many different things with that. And I will always say human nature when I was young, for the simple song that Michael Jackson record, Human Nature. If they ask why, just tell them that it's human nature. And human nature can go so many ways, whether good or bad, because it's inside of us. The intent is a characteristic of being a human, uh, whether good or bad. So let's just focus on the good and the greatness of the human nature, of the human aspect of giving, of helping, of caring, and of teaching, of loving. That human aspect of life and living in general. Um, I think we need to push forth. Just tell them that it's human nature. Somebody asks, just tell them. They ask why. Just tell them that it's human nature.